Assalamualaikum. I would like to show you on how you can send us the link for your video extract. This is from your Gmail account. You go to Drive from your email account, Google Drive. You create one folder. You can put any name. I put here KRD abstract video. This is just an example. You can put any name. Okay, create. Okay, here open this folder and upload your video here. New file upload. Okay, let's say, where is my file? Desktop video. Okay, this is my video, and I open. See, uploading. Okay, until it finish. Okay, the file is here. Okay, you can go to your folder here and get link. Here, get link. Restricted, only people can open this link. Okay, just copy this link. Copy. Done. I believe you received the acceptance letter on your email, and you can click the link to submit your video here. Put your email address, your abstract ID. This is an example. I put 800. Okay, paste the link here and submit. Okay, that's all. By right, we will receive the link and we are able to open the link from our computer, and we will download the file to our computer and view it later. Okay, thank you. If you have any problem, please email us at krd@iium.edu.my. Thank you.